Welcome to my channel MS is Great. In this video, you will learn how to use string function indexOf in the Power Automate. You are watching the MS is Great learning series for Power Automate. Let's start. This is the sample Power Automate. You can see the indexOf functions being used here, and it's a manual trigger Power Automate, and you have a configuration for the teams, and there is an input parameter to be used here. So this is the function which is directly used within the Teams post, and I would go through each scenarios of the indexOf function. As you can see here, side by side view of the output and the input of the Power Automate, and I would go through each scenarios of how the indexOf function being used. Basically, indexOf function will return the position of the string value which you are searching within chunk of strings available. You can see here in the first sample, I am trying to search the word great within the MS is great, and it can return the index of the occurrence of the word starting from great, and it returns you the integer value. And the second sample, you can see I am searching for the empty string, and whenever you search for an empty string, it will return 0. And if the word is not present, like in the third sample, I am searching for space hash, so it will always look for the specific word. So space and space plus the hash is not available in the string which you are searching for, so it will return -1. And the third sample is, and the last sample which you can see is the JSON format. To search something inside a JSON, you need to convert the object into a string. So I'm using the string of function, and within that you can search any word. In this scenario, I'm searching entra, and you can see the index of the occurrence here. So now let's see how the function being used. I'm going to click on the functions here. So you can see the side-by-side view of the functions being used. You can see in the indexOf, I've directly used as the parameter or the formula here. The parameter, it takes the first, I'm passing the input and trying to search a word great, and the input is here. You can see this is the input, and the first one, message 1, message 2 is a full complete JSON, and within the JSON I'm trying to find here indexOf. That is the value. You can see it gives you the first, and the second one, you can see I'm trying to search an empty string, and the third one, you can see I'm trying to search space and the hash, and is the function. So you directly use it within the function, and you can type the function here and use it here. And this is the string and in indexOf. You can see for a JSON, you cannot directly use the JSON object because it takes a string parameter for the first parameter of the index. So you should convert that into a string, and you can search for the specific word entra. And this is the output. Hope this is really helpful. Thanks. Thank you for watching the channel. Subscribe and like the video.